2, 1. Hi guys, welcome to the video. My dad's an athlete. A professional one. Yeah. Hope you guys like this video. This is the bedroom. This is my exercise area, the wallets, and all that jazz. We have the bed, the crib, and a little place to sit. Clothes. My husband runs a website and a TV. Right? And a TV. A little playhouse, a little toy area, and the dresser. Nightstand, a little place where she can pop it, and Muffin! Woof! Sit back down, Muffin. Then we have all this stuff, and then a pillow. Oops. And then that. That's her room, basically. Oh yeah, and that bag. She also has this little seating area in the pantries. All these snacks up here. And then we have the kitchen. The toy room and my exercising. We have these pantries and all the essentials on the sink. We have this little area, and then the bath, and the shower, and that. And that's our house. Like and subscribe.